oats and alfalfa. This last field here. We got rain coming, so we're gonna try to get it finished up tonight. It's starting to get dark. Got the middle part of the field left here. Coming in from the last field we planted here. That's probably 2-year-old stand now. Looks real good. So hopefully this stand turns out well. The ground's working up pretty well. Got some rocks to pick. Anyway, we're gonna keep at it until we get this field done tonight. Hopefully nothing breaks. We had one broken hydraulic line today, but nothing too bad. Luckily we had one in stock at home. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button below. And if you want to see more videos like this come up in your feed, please subscribe to our channel. And if you want to find out when our next video comes out every week, hit that notification bell below. And that'll send you a notification when our next video comes out, which we try to send them out every week. Thanks a lot for learning more about our farm, and we sure appreciate it.